Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I've got an interesting tutorial for you today. In this video, I'll be showing you how to download any View Once video or picture on WhatsApp. The best part is that this trick works perfectly on both iPhone and Android devices. Imagine a friend sends you a View Once photo or video on WhatsApp. Once you open it, WhatsApp's privacy policy stops you from doing anything with. You can't screen record it, and even if you try to screen record, it will turn black, and you definitely can't take a screenshot. But today, I'm going to show you an easy hack to bypass all of that. Let's dive right in. Here's how you can save those View Once media files on your phone. When you open the View Once picture or video from a friend, don't close the chat window immediately. Click on the three dots at the top right of the chat from the menu, select More, and then choose Export Chat. WhatsApp will automatically convert all your chats with this friend into a zip file. You'll be prompted to select a file manager for the export. I recommend using Zarchiver, as it's simple and reliable, and use any file manager of your choice. Select Zarchiver or any file manager of your choice. Open the zip file in your file manager, click on the file and select Extract. You'll be asked to choose a destination folder for better organization. I suggest creating a new folder specifically for this. Give the new folder any name you prefer, and then click the Extract arrow at the bottom right corner of the screen to extract the file contents into this folder. After extraction, open the folder you created inside. You'll find the exact photo or video you viewed on WhatsApp. Save it to your phone gallery, and now it's yours. This same method works for both photos and videos that are sent as View Once media. Just follow the exact steps, and you'll have access to any View Once file with ease. And that's it, guys. With this simple hack, you can save any View Once photo or video from WhatsApp onto your device without stress. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any future updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.